can acupuncture help reduce anxiety? And I want to say that our acupuncture business is called Say Heart Acupuncture for Anxiety. And that is because people with anxiety are completely changed by acupuncture. I honestly believe that of all the different conditions, mental, emotional health, particularly anxiety, is so helped by acupuncture. And a lot of that is rebalancing our autonomic nervous system, sort of helping to dial back our parasympathetics and rewiring our bodies to lean into the parasympathetic system. Acupuncture increases our parasympathetic responses. These are our rest and digest. And even just having acupuncture will turn you to your parasympathetic responses, and less the sympathetic is the more elevated heart rate, fast breathing that people get when they are feeling anxious. So it is incredible for anxiety. And Dr. Hsinyi, I would love you to jump in and tell us what your experience is with anxiety and as an acupuncturist.
Yeah, what I see from I treat from our client or other the patient, I can say acupuncture, the benefit is very good for especially the anxiety will cause a lot of other symptoms combined together.
Yes.
So it's not only focus on like, oh, help you feeling anxiety reduce. I mean, cause anxiety have many reasons. And sometimes anxiety is not like, for example, not like a one-time treatment or two-time treatment. So patient probably not very fast feeling right away. The first treatment, they feel anxiety getting better, but the accompanying the side symptom, they can feel a lot better. For example, anxiety usually accompanying with a sleeping problem. At least when they get the first treatment, the night they're sleeping can feeling more deeply. Yeah. So eventually, when other symptoms getting better, will in the same time to help your anxiety feeling better.
Yeah, and tell us how we see many clients with anxiety. How would their typical treatment work? Like, you know, how often should a person come in and what would you expect?
So mostly I see the best result is the when the client come very regular, almost like a once a week or like a twice a week. For we have the client come for a year, and then she feel the acupuncture really help her anxiety getting better. And somehow, even if she didn't come for get acupuncture, she sometimes feel sometimes a little bit anxiety will come back. It's like a up and down. But when she kind of get a regular treatment, she feel the anxiety accompanying the symptom, at least that sometimes feel more maintenance.
Yeah. And I think one of the beautiful things that acupuncture can do is, many people who may be prescribed medications for their anxiety, they may they might need less medication, or they can reduce the pharmaceutical products they're taking,
But
or in some cases, maybe not need to rely on any medications at all and can
yeah.
kind of, work with acupuncture to help reset their nervous system. I mean, really, the goal is to really change the root, what is at the problem. And if it's sympathetic overdrive from perhaps more conditioned responses that result in anxiety as we go through life, acupuncture is a beautiful way to reset how your nervous system works to achieve more calm and really a solution that addresses the cause. And clearly mental health conditions, including anxiety, depression, involve a multidisciplinary approach. It's important to have your medical professional, you may need a psychologist. There's all sorts of approaches, and acupuncture is a beautiful complement to this because it really helps really address the cause.
Yeah, I think especially in the the Seihao Wellness Center, we combine not only using acupuncture to help our client to kind of reduce their anxiety problem. We also sometimes combine the cupping or like acupressure on the head to help them like overall healthy. Yeah.
Yeah. No, and a lot of physical problems that people experience are often related to anxiety. So people who might have pains or, there's a lot of people who suffer from chronic pain and doctors don't know what to do, so they just prescribe painkillers. And acupuncture is a way to address often underlying emotional health conditions that are contributing to the manifestation of pains or body ailments, things that happen as a result of allowing our mental and emotional systems to just keep, spinning in an unhealthy direction. So, really important to consider embracing all these things.